California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today, if you have been here before, you know this is a little bit different. I don't usually have my makeup on already, but I'm going to be turning this, which is already a look I did, into something a little bit more extravagant. So basically this weekend Norvina is doing another one of her whole micro influencer PR searches. So all week I've been working on super extravagant looks to get her attention. So I am going to be trying a look. If it doesn't come out great, I'm not gonna be super mad, but I don't know, we're just trying it. So basically I'm gonna be trying to do the little up house and then like the balloons on my forehead. I haven't seen pictures of someone do this. I know someone probably has, but like I haven't seen it. I haven't been inspired by anyone. I am just trying and going for it. So the current look I have on was for a different look for an Instagram collab, which is already up by the time you see this. But I just thought I would film me do this because I have a lot to tell you guys and fill you in on since I saw you last or talked to you last. I know videos have been going up, but I haven't filmed. So that is what we are doing today. I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And let's just get started. This is not the most attractive hairstyle, but I'm just trying to get my hair on my face. But I'm taking my little paint palette for all of this. I'm honestly nervous. I've never done something like this. I don't usually do paints. So we're just gonna kind of see how this goes. Alright, stuff to fill y'all in on. So basically, I cut my hair. It's now up to my shoulders. As you can probably you can tell obviously. But yeah, I cut my hair. I am going to see Ariana Grande in concert July 1st. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been begging for tickets for months and I finally convinced my mom with the help of my stepdad to let me go. And I'm honestly so excited. I literally was crying as we were ordering the tickets. So that's something. But I'm gonna go and try and figure this out a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, I know this is ugly, but I don't care. I'm trying. That's what counts, right? It's the thought that counts. I literally just made a Ariana Grande playlist with my 34 favorite songs of hers out of all of her playlists. And I'm gonna have to start memorizing Thank You Next and Sweetener because I only have 3 months, guys. But okay, now I need to do the balloons, which I think I'm gonna start them like right here, and round them out and have the strings up there. I don't know. Actually, okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm going with a small brush and I'm gonna do a small little outline of black so I know where to put my balloons. And then I'm just gonna fill that in with the colors. Okay, that's gonna be my outline of balloons. So I'm just gonna end up going in with different colors and just kind of making balloon looking thing. I don't know. Going to Florida tomorrow, so I have to pack tonight, which is gonna suck because I absolutely hate packing. Also, school's been really hectic this week because of spring break coming up. All of my teachers have been giving us tests and stuff. So I had literally a test in every class this week. Even my elective classes, which are foods and stuff like that, I literally had a test on that was supposed to be tomorrow, but since I'm leaving halfway through the day tomorrow so we can leave for Florida, I had to take it today. I've been working on looks literally all week. I did 2 looks last night and I was exhausted after it. And then, I don't know, I've just been doing a lot of stuff. Currently I was looking at, I've been talking for a really long time, so I'm gonna go finish up the colors in the balloon and then. Okay, so I outlined the house and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX white liner just for the balloon strings. And I'm basically gonna connect these to the chimney. So I put on my lipstick and I've decided I'm going to do all of these colorful NYX liners and do freckles on like right here just to add a bit more color to it. I think the balloons turned out really good. My eyes, I mean, they're just like basic. So I'm just gonna go in with all of these and do different colored freckles. I really feel like I had more to tell you guys than what like I ended up saying. Like I feel like I'm forgetting something. Like there's a couple of things that have happened also, but like I don't want to talk about them yet. So obviously I'm not gonna say anything, but hopefully this doesn't make me look stupid. Oh well, it'll be fine. It'll just add a little bit of color and creativeness to the look. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just going to unclip my hair. Also, let me know if you like the short hair type of thing I got going. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this kind of like chatty, like catch up type of video. I'm not really entirely sure. I think this is gonna probably go up before my Florida videos do, so that's the plan at least. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little creative look. I gotta go take some pictures and all that jazz, but I love you guys so much, you don't even understand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you gorgeous babies next time. Bye guys.